If you are looking to build an online community, sell courses, or run a membership business, you have probably come across Circle and Skool. Both platforms combine courses and community features, but they target slightly different audiences. In this video, we'll compare Circle and Skool based on features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide which platform is right for you. What is Circle? Circle is a community platform designed for creators, coaches, educators, and businesses. It combines discussion spaces, online courses, events, live streams, memberships, and workflows in one platform. The biggest advantage of Circle is flexibility. You can create highly customized communities with multiple spaces, member groups, and branded experiences. What is Skool? Skool is a simpler platform that combines community, courses, and a built in gamification system. Its main goal is to keep members engaged through points, leaderboards, and rewards. Skool is extremely easy to use and focuses more on community interaction than advanced customization. Features comparison. Circle, community spaces and discussions, online courses, live streams and events, member directories, automation tools, advanced customization, branded mobile app option. Skool, community feed, course hosting, calendar for events, leaderboards and gamification, simple member management, clean and beginner friendly interface. Winner, Circle offers more features, while Skool focuses on simplicity and engagement. Ease of use. Skool is one of the easiest community platforms available. Most creators can set up a community and course in minutes without any technical knowledge. Circle has more settings and customization options, which creates a slightly learning curve. However, it gives you much more control over your community. Winner, Skool for beginners. Community engagement. This is where Skool shines. Its point system, leaderboards, and reward machines encourage members to participate regularly. Many creators report higher engagement because members are motivated to interact. Circle has strong community tools as well, but engagement depends more on how you structure and manage the community. Winner, Skool. Pros and cons. Circle Pros, highly customizable, more advanced features, better for larger communities, strong branding options. Circle Cons, more expensive at higher tiers, slightly more complex to manage. Skool Pros, extremely easy to use, excellent gamification system, simple pricing, great community engagement. Skool Cons, limited customization, fewer advanced features, less suitable for businesses needing complex setups. Final verdict. Choose Circle if you want a powerful, customizable platform with advanced community and course features. It's ideal for businesses, professional creators, and growing membership communities. Choose Skool if you want the simplest way to build a community and course business while maximizing member engagement through gamification. For most beginners and solo creators, Skool is the better choice because of its simplicity and engagement tools. For larger or more professional communities that need flexibility, Circle is the stronger platform. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.